Hello everyone, it's Anzu, and today I will be showing you how to do the flower magic look in one of my recent photo shoots. In addition to regular makeup products, I used some fake roses on my face for a transition. So let's move on to the base. I'm starting with my moisturizer Ceramidin from Dr. Jart. This is the best option if you have really dry skin. After that, I will use NYX's Illuminating Primer. For the base makeup, I will use Misha Glow BB Cushion in number 13. It gives a healthy glow and nice color correction without caking up the base makeup. Gently pat it onto the moisturized skin, and if your skin isn't dry and patchy, if it's moisturized well, gentle taps will set the BB cream just seamless. Misha's Cover Prime Concealer works well on my under eye area, so I will apply it on the places I want to brighten up, including my dark circles, and set it with a damp sponge. Using MAC's Matte Chrome Yellow eyeshadow, I will apply it in the whole eyelid and bottom eye part with a big fluffy brush. I'll get the Colourpop Semi Precious palette and take the orange shade there to blend together with the previous eyeshadow. But if you live in Turkey like me, you won't have access to this brand, but Instagram sellers like Sadin Cosmetics sells them with DM, and I had great experience with them so far, so I recommend them. They can also bring the brands that you want, so just DM them for more information. With this copperish color from Huda Beauty palette, I will line the bottom eyeline and connect it with the top colors I used earlier. Then I will brighten the inner corner of the eyes with a white eye pencil. For my eyebrows, I will use a mix of Benefit's Brow Zings palette and NYX's eyebrow pencil. Brushing the eyebrows after filling them will help you soften the color, so first draw them, fill them, and brush them to soften it up. I won't go into the inner corners of my eye with the eyeliner, but I will make it thicker towards the outer part of my eyes. This will prepare the eyes for the thicker looking eyelash illusion, so I would recommend starting from the middle of the eye and then building it up thicker towards the outer line of the eye. I'm using the Riot eyelashes from Rouge and Rogue, and as the glue dries, I will use the volumizing Homme Lashes mascara from Flormar, and I think this is my favorite mascara at the moment. I will use the mascara again on the inner corner of my lashes to blend together with the fake lashes. Now it's time for fake roses. I will stick them on my face with the eyelash glue. White or transparent glue works best because white eventually becomes less opaque. To draw the rest of the roses, I will use NYX's red body paint. I will use random strokes to make a round shape and shade them later. It doesn't have to look very realistic, it just needs to trick the eye when you grasp the whole picture. I will be shading the roses with the green body paint by making gentle strokes for the leaves, and eventually I will make slight spirals with a thin black eyeliner that isn't very opaque. For the lipstick, I will be using the Deluxe Cashmere Lipstick style from Flormar, and the color is Elegant Terracotta DC29. And once the lipstick is finished, we will be done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on the notifications from the bell button because I think YouTube doesn't notify you anymore. Then I will be seeing you in my next video next week. Bye bye!